Hello traders, welcome to Trading Nuances. Today the markets showcased strong bullish momentum with Nifty 50 crossing 23,350 and Bank Nifty surging past 5,500. We saw broad-based buying across banking, IT and financial sectors, while some profit booking was observed in metals and auto stocks. In this video, we will break down today's market action, analyze key levels, open interest data and sector-wise moves. Let's dive in. Nifty opened slightly lower but quickly recovered as buying interest picked up, especially in banking and IT stocks. A strong close above 23,300 indicates continued bullish strength in the index. Nifty 50 closed at 23,350.4, gaining a massive 159 points. The market witnessed a broad-based rally today with significant contributions from the banking, IT and oil and gas sectors. With Bank Nifty moving past 5,500, private banks remain in focus for the coming week. After a recent dip, IT stocks found renewed buying interest, likely due to FII accumulation. Reliance Industries gained on heavy institutional buying. ONGC's gains were driven by stability in crude oil prices. Auto stocks remain range-bound as demand concerns persist. Metals were weighed down by weak global metal prices, and a pause in the rally suggests short-term consolidation in the sector. On the open interest, call writers at 23,500 are capping the upside, but strong put writing at 23,000 suggests bullish confidence in the market. Banking bulls dominated the market today. Bank Nifty soared past the 5,500 mark, fueled by strong buying in private sector banks like ICICI Bank, Axis Bank and HDFC Bank. The rally was backed by institutional flows and positive sentiment, reinforcing bullish strength. PSU banks, however, saw some profit booking, but overall the banking sector remained in firm control. Axis Bank was upgraded by major brokerages, boosting investor sentiment. There were no losers in the Bank Nifty today. The OI data suggests that bulls have a firm grip on the market, but a breakout above 51,000 is needed for further upside. Strong put writing at 5,500 shows that dips are getting bought aggressively. That's all for today's post-market analysis. We saw a strong session with bullish momentum continuing in banking and IT stocks. Next week will be a make or break moment. Will we see a breakout rally or a pause before the next big move? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Trading Nuances for expert insights that keep you ahead of the curve. See you in the next session with more insights and market updates.